got
So guys, hello again, and this is the 7th day, and I have missed 5 days of workout because I went home, and yeah, I'm having my warm-up today. So after that, I'm going to do the circuit, those things, and I am not yet done for my warm-up workout. So it's just a 7-minute warm-up workout, and di man mo warm up ganyan. Nagapoy. So guys, as you can see, that will be what we will be doing. Warm up is killing me, man. I need to raise my breath. Raise my breath. Pila ka set, coach? Pila ka set? Unom. 6 sets, guys. 6 sets. Para sa ako lang daw. 6 sets. Wow. So the usual, I will be taking the last set of my workout. So gotta work now, and see you for a bit. So guys, last set. Okay guys, that was take 2. I did not capture the whole thing. I missed the recording button, so I have some almost done, almost done. Alright guys, one last workout and I'm done with the rope. Last with the rope. For goodness sake, I'm done. Whew. That was intense. I rest for about not longer than 20 seconds, so yes, it's intense. I've done it with 6 rounds, and I'm proud of myself. What should I do next? Maybe I'll end my workout with some setups, and I'm good to go. So as you can see, guys, that's what the program pound for pound is having. Every day it's another workout circuit. Better go to coach and do my setup. So I guess this is where I end my videos. And guys, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.